This video, this is the conclusion of the zinc genes, and the overall conclusion is that zinc is one of the most important minerals in the entire body, second only to likely magnesium. And people can argue and bicker over the importance of magnesium relative to zinc. It doesn't matter, they're both important. Zinc does about 300 different functions in the body, ranging from immune system to taste to skin health to dealing with free radicals and dealing with inflammation and prostate health and all sorts of things. So your ability to use zinc is extremely important, and the ways to check zinc is through simple blood testing, and you'd want to do that always with copper, because the zinc copper ratio matters. It's not just the amount of zinc, but it's the relativity to copper. And then there's foods that are high in zinc, most of them animal based, like shellfish, organ meat, red meat, poultry, eggs, but there's some non-animal based sources as well, like legumes and beans, seeds, nuts, whole grains, and dark chocolate. And again, like, there's certain foods that are good from a zinc lens, but those same foods may not be good from other lenses, like shellfish and histamine, shellfish and allergens, chocolate and caffeine sensitivity, caffeine and histamine. So there's nuances there, and that if you're concerned about zinc, don't use the foods on the zinc list as an excuse if you've got other reasons genetically to avoid some of those same foods. So zinc is, again, really important. You can get zinc through food, you can get zinc through supplements, and you should get your zinc levels checked along with copper.